Hello there, Taylor with the Armageddon Report. Happy Mother's Day to you if you happen to be a mother. If not, say Happy Mother's Day to your mom. So, today, in terms of this map, we've got the red flag warnings. There seems to always be some red flag warnings going on every time I check. That's a fire-related thing. And apparently for here, it's because of low relative humidities in like the 15 to 25% range and some gusty winds, because, you know, if you get a fire started and you've got a whole bunch of winds, that means you can carry it quite far and spread it. Down here, excessive heat again. So this color is excessive heat warning. This color is excessive heat watch. I believe that's for Tuesday thing. That's why it's a watch, because it's not quite here yet. And then I believe the excessive heat over here is supposed to last through Tuesday as well. So, yes, no fun. Very, very hot first excessive heat thing of the season. Whoopty, and I'm sure we have a lot more to look forward to. In terms of severe weather today, here's your biggest risk area: New Mexico, Texas. And here's what's going on right now in terms of mesoscale discussions. So, down here, western and central Florida panhandle into extreme southeastern corner of Alabama. That little red puffy cloud looking thing. Threat for a couple of tornadoes and isolated damaging wind will persist into the afternoon. However, watch unlikely, 20%. So, if you happen to read all of the mesoscale discussions, then you know, oh hey, I should pay attention. But it's not apparently enough to warrant a watch. Whatnot. Here are the warnings in effect as of the moment. So we've got flash flood for Tennessee up here, and a severe thunderstorm warning down there in Florida, pretty much in that basic area where the mesoscale discussion is. Here is the specific wind map probabilities for today. So here's a slight risk area over New Mexico and Texas. And then over here, Alabama, Florida, Georgia with a 5% of their own. Similar over here with the hail map, except no hail threat over there, apparently. And then tornado, we've got 2% chance in both areas today. So what does that mean if you're not familiar with the numbers? That means you can randomly pick any point in this green area. And that means that there's a 2% chance that that point or someone within 25 miles of it will see a tornado. Tomorrow, tiny, tiny little area of slight risk. So let's pop on over to the probability where you can see there's actually a lot more going on than just the tiny slight risk area. So we've got the 5% around that, and then a 5% on the coast going on. Day after tomorrow, it moves up there for some reason. So Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin, that's where the threat, the 5% threat, oh my goodness. Right, and then day 4 through 8, once again, potential too low. So that means no severe weather as of now is expected for days 4 through 8, which would be day 4 is May 16th, and then you count on up from that, etc., etc. So yeah, that's what's going on today in the world of severe weather, maybe. You know, that's what's predicted or whatever. WickedWix, WICKEDWX.com, weather.gov, Storm Prediction Center, and of course, if you're interested in the extreme heat, you go to weather.gov and you find out, am I going to be on fire this week? And it, you know, that's how you find out. Anyway, enjoy Mother's Day, even if you aren't a mother, you know, call your mum up and say, Mum, I love you, etc., etc. Don't say etc., etc. That does not show much respect. Anyway, enjoy Sunday.